In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply photo filters in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Canva's filters, how to preview them, and how to dial in the intensity so your image looks polished and consistent with your design. Start by opening your project in Canva and clicking the image you want to enhance. Selecting the image is important because it tells Canva which element you intend to edit. Once the image is selected, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar that appears. In that toolbar, click Edit. This opens the editing panel on the left side of your screen, where all the image adjustments live. Inside this panel, find the section labeled Filters. This is your shortcut to quick, cohesive looks. Think warmer tones, cinematic moods, or crisp, high-contrast styles. To explore everything available, click See All. That expands the full filter gallery so you can browse the complete selection without guessing. Now, choose a filter that fits the vibe you're going for. As you click a filter, Canva applies it to your selected image so you can see the result right away. This is a great moment to compare a few options. Try a soft, warm filter for portraits or a cooler, modern look for product shots. Remember, the goal is to complement your design rather than overpower it. After you've selected a filter, adjust the intensity using the slider. Sliding to the right increases the effect. Sliding to the left makes it more subtle. A light touch often works best, especially when you're trying to keep skin tones natural or maintain brand colors. If the filter feels too strong, gently back it off until the image looks balanced. If you change your mind, simply choose another filter and adjust again. You're never locked in. A quick tip: this edit applies only to the image you've selected. If your project has multiple images, repeat the same process on each one to keep the visual style consistent across your design. Consistency is key when you want your layout to feel professional and cohesive. That's all there is to it. Select your image, click Edit, open Filters, click See All to view the full range, pick the look you like, and fine-tune the intensity with the slider. With just these simple steps, you can transform the mood of your image and elevate your entire design in seconds. Take a moment to experiment, trust your eye, and enjoy how quickly filters can make your visuals stand out.